Welcome back to Car Aag 765, the channel where we explore some of the most fascinating classic vehicles ever built. If you love vintage cars, motorhomes, and automotive history, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community. Today, we are taking a look at the remarkable 1972 Revcon Motorhome, a vehicle that was far ahead of its time and remains one of the most respected classic motorhomes in America. While many RVs from the 1970s have faded into history, the Revcon continues to attract enthusiasts, collectors, and travelers who appreciate innovative engineering and timeless design. The story of the Revcon Motorhome begins during an era when Americans were embracing road travel like never before. Families wanted the freedom to explore the country while enjoying the comforts of home. Most motorhomes of the time were large, heavy, and often difficult to drive. Revcon decided to take a different approach. What made the 1972 Revcon truly special was its unique engineering. Instead of using a traditional truck chassis, Revcon borrowed technology from the famous Oldsmobile Tornado. This meant the motorhome used a front-wheel drive system, something almost unheard of in large RVs during that period. The result was a smoother ride, better handling, and a lower floor height compared to many competitors. Powering the 1972 Revcon was the legendary 455 cubic inch Oldsmobile V8 engine. This massive powerplant produced plenty of torque, allowing the motorhome to cruise comfortably on highways and tackle long-distance journeys with confidence. Drivers appreciated the strong performance, especially considering the size and weight of the vehicle. One of the first things people noticed about the Revcon was its futuristic appearance. Unlike the boxy motorhomes commonly seen in campgrounds, the Revcon featured sleek lines and an aerodynamic shape. The aluminum body construction not only looked modern but also helped reduce weight. Even today, many classic RV fans believe the Revcon remains one of the best-looking motorhomes ever produced. Step inside, and the Revcon felt more like a mobile apartment than a recreational vehicle. The spacious interior was designed with comfort in mind. Owners enjoyed a living area, sleeping quarters, a functional kitchen, and a bathroom. Large windows allowed natural light to fill the cabin, creating an open and welcoming atmosphere. The kitchen offered everything needed for life on the road. Travelers could prepare meals, store food, and enjoy family dinners without needing restaurants every day. This level of convenience helped make cross-country adventures more affordable and enjoyable. The sleeping area was another highlight. Whether traveling as a couple or with family members, the Revcon provided comfortable accommodations for overnight stays. This transformed ordinary road trips into memorable travel experiences, allowing owners to wake up surrounded by beautiful landscapes across America. One reason the Revcon developed such a loyal following was its durability. The aluminum body resisted rust better than many steel-bodied vehicles of the era. As a result, numerous examples have survived for decades. Even today, enthusiasts continue restoring and maintaining these classic motorhomes, proving the quality of their original construction. Driving a large motorhome can sometimes be intimidating, but the Revcon earned praise for being easier to handle than many competitors. The front-wheel drive system improved stability and reduced some of the challenges associated with large RVs. For many owners, this translated into greater confidence behind the wheel. During the 1970s, fuel prices and economic conditions created challenges for large recreational vehicles. Despite these obstacles, the Revcon managed to build a strong reputation because of its innovative design and premium features. It stood out as a luxury motorhome aimed at travelers who wanted something more advanced than the average RV. Today, the 1972 Revcon is considered a highly collectible classic. Vintage RV enthusiasts search for well-preserved examples, and restored models often attract attention at car shows and RV gatherings. Seeing a Revcon on the road today is a rare treat that instantly captures the interest of automotive fans. Many collectors appreciate the vehicle not only for its rarity but also for its historical significance. It represents a time when manufacturers were willing to experiment with bold ideas and push the boundaries of what a motorhome could be. The Revcon demonstrated that comfort, style, and advanced engineering could exist together in one package. As the popularity of van life and RV travel continues to grow, interest in classic motorhomes has also increased. Younger generations are discovering vehicles like the Revcon and recognizing how innovative they were for their era. In many ways, features that seem modern today were already being explored by designers more than 50 years ago. The 1972 Revcon Motorhome remains a symbol of freedom, adventure, and American ingenuity. Its combination of front-wheel drive, powerful V8 performance, aluminum construction, and luxurious interior helped create a vehicle that still earns admiration decades after it first appeared on the road. Whether you are a classic car enthusiast, an RV lover, or simply someone who enjoys unique vehicles, the Revcon is a fascinating piece of automotive history. It reminds us that great design never goes out of style and that innovation can leave a lasting legacy. Thank you for watching Car Aag 765. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible 1972 Revcon Motorhome, please like this video, share it with fellow vehicle enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing classic vehicle stories. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep your passion for automotive history alive.